Hello everyone. So today we are going to draw on a topic on environment day. Okay, on a topic on environment day. So first you have to draw one circle. Okay, circle over here on the middle of the page, and you have to draw in portrait mode. So first you have to draw the circle. Okay, circle, and now what you have to do, just make this portion, erase it, and make this portion erase it. Okay, so see, just from here draw the thumb finger like someone is holding the earth. Okay, like that you have to do. Okay, then shape like this from here, and from here I'm going to draw the first finger, U shape, then bring it down, then again from here, this side it should be curve like this. Okay, U shape, bring it up, then U shape, bring it down, again from here one more but smaller than that, shape like this, and the last one over here like this. Okay, someone is holding the, but from here what you have to do now, just from here you have to draw the leaves. Okay, like this, so that we can hide the that back hand. Okay, and then it will be easy for you to do it. Okay, one from here, and from here also, some leaves are there. Okay, and now from here, see, just draw the shape like this, like an U shape, then bring it down like this, then draw the U shape, means curve, then U shape, then again curve, then U shape. It should be little bit thick finger, so that we can color it properly easily. Okay, the next finger, but draw this properly. Small one by one. Okay, now what you have to do, just from here draw the leaves like this, okay, the leaves are like that. Okay, some over here I will draw one tree shape. Okay, tree shape that it's holding, because without tree we can't survive. No? That's why the tree is most important thing. See, from here I will draw one circle, 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 small curve, then the big curve, and from here some linings, some branches are there. Means tree is holding the earth like that we have drawn. Okay, the reality. Oh, without tree, nothing means life is not possible because of oxygen. It's give oxygen, food, shelter, everything it's give. Na? Animal can't survive. See, if that vegetarian animal, if not there, then who eat the flesh like tiger will also not survive because it's depend on the vegetarian animal, na? Like carnivorous, omnivorous. This is an earth, okay? This was an earth, but some small islands are there. One thing, uh, earth is there. U shape, okay, like we always draw the face, same way we have to do it. And some trees are there, small trees are there. Very easy and simple. Like this, just we have to draw the trees, okay, small trees. It will be look good. Okay, so we can so we have done this one. Some more leaves so that it look good. Okay, one more over here. Trees, small trees we have to do. Okay, now what you have to do now, just some now I will draw one means wait, we'll draw now one straight line from here and a straight line from here, two straight line. Okay, one two straight line from here, two straight line from here, one straight line from here. Okay, now what you have to do now, just from here I'm going to draw the one cow. Okay, simple way. See, straight line, curve, then again curve. Okay, very simple. Then you have to draw the horn. Okay, one horn we have done. Then the ears like this, one more ear from here, and curve it. Now circle, join it, circle. Got it? It's very easy, simple. See, one curve from here, U shape, another down from here, shape like this, and two line, the bell is there. Okay, the nose line. Okay, leave it till here. And now some plastic wrappers are there, means that garbage with full of plastics are there. It's not good for na cow, they are eating that plastic bag. One plastic bag I will put in his mouth. Okay, one plastic bag. Acha, it's not look like this, but I'm showing you how it's look. See, it's look like this, no, the plastic bags look like this. So now I will cross it over here. Okay, cross sign. I will make the cross sign over here, and I will write over here na. Acha, here we can draw a bird. They are also using means plastic for their nest, and the small babies are eating that one. So two curve line, then U shape, then U shape. Okay, it's very simple. Okay, for bat for animal. See, two horn. Okay, make it two horn. See, BAD, bad for animals, animals and birds, BIRDS. Okay, BIRDS. Now what you have to do, just I will draw the a straight line over here. Okay, it's a water only. Okay, some plastics are there, and now I will draw the one bottle over here, and inside it one fish. Okay, and in eye portion I will do the cross sign, means it's death, and one fish over here, the big fish. Circle, curve, and one shape from here, shape from here, then the U, like that. Okay, I have to do the fish, the small fish, and see from here the waves are there. Okay, water waves. He's standing in the ground, like that I will do. Okay, bat for wet. Here I will write save ocean, save ocean. Okay, OCEAN, ocean, save ocean. Here I will draw some plastic made up of plastic plate, some plastic cups are there, one line from here, one line from here, join it, 2 now the cup plate, some plastic bowls are there, here some plates, and spoon is there, plastic spoon. Okay, means we have to don't use plastic, don't use single, SINGLE, single don't use single plastic product. Okay, you can give a sign over here like this, cross, that's cross. Okay, we can. Okay, so now what you have to do, see from here, we will draw some uh, plastic bag over here. Okay, the plastic bag, and here like this, and a circle over here like this, and see shape from here, curve it. Now I will draw one hand shape, and like an first I will draw over here the thumb finger. Okay, then the U. Okay, shape like the hand. Okay, it will become the hand of that it's holding. And inside this na I will draw some plastic bottle like that, some cups are there, the same thing which here we have done it over here, we can draw it again. Okay, another bottle is there, the plastic bottle, and over here I will write here the same thing, the circle and the cross sign, and stop plastic use. Okay, here we have given the plastic thing we have given. Okay, here I can draw one more line over here like this, and I can draw means see like a figure. Okay, like this, curve from here, circle, and here with the color we will draw the tree. Okay, the death tree for the reason of plastic. Here what you have to do na, just I will draw one circle, another circle, and from here I will draw two lines like this. Okay, and now what you have to do, just from here the most important thing, that is I will draw the plant. Okay, the plant means we have to uh, we have to plant new tree plant, we have to see here one that from which uh, the gardener used to give water, that one, circle, then the water will come over here. Here some grasses are there. Okay, and here I will draw the circle with the right sign. Okay, plant a tree. plant a tree, and over here I will draw. Acha, from here na I will draw a line from here. The most important drawing which we are going to do is over here. Two line, and over here now I will draw line like this, join it, means I will make it double from here. Okay, make it double from here, and this side also I will make it double from here. Okay, and here what you have to do, just the message future. Here I will draw one tree over here, the man half cut. Okay, and I will draw one human. Okay, but this side I will zoom in so that you can see it properly. See, I'm just zooming in so that you can see it properly. See, it's just like an human is there who is cutting the tree. See, it should be little bit small from here, and from here the dhoti type. And what you have to do, just draw the leg like this, his leg, and one hand over here, and one hand over. Wait, I'm just see, one hand over here, circle, and the axe which is holding. Okay, and here now I will draw one cylinder, okay, which he is wearing. Marks is there, pipe is there, and like a bottle. Here I will write O2. Okay, in this cylinder I will write O2. Okay, and here I will draw some factory type. Okay, some chimneys are there, long chimneys are there, buildings are there, more chimneys are there. From here smokes are coming, and here I will write CO2. Okay, and the smoke CO2. Here smokes are coming, CO2. Okay, like this I will write, and 2 should be na. I'm showing you how to write this. It's see, C capital O capital, 2 over here bottom, CO2 in the bottom. The formula which we have to write like this. Okay, and the field are cracked because of less of water. And see, one person is over here. Okay, wait. Just now we have to draw a thing. See, just showing you properly. See, just the here first we will draw it over here. Then the marks type, he is wearing a kind of marks, and from this marks I will draw one neck neck, then curve it from here. I will draw the curved line like this. The hand, okay, the hand like this, and the mug, then the leg from here, curve, bring it down, down, and the back side leg, na, it should be little bit straight like this. Join it, okay. Then draw the shoe like this, but here also he will wear a cylinder, that O2 cylinder. Pipe is there connected with his that marks, and he is asking something from the other side person, okay. And now this line I will shift it, okay, little bit I will shift it over here, okay. So it's asking from this side person, that is that water which we gave the water, that one he is holding, okay. Try to do it properly, means small, but try to do it properly, a little bit properly. Two line, then circle, okay. And now over here, two line, join it, and he's giving the plant to this human, okay, so that he can plant the tree. Here the roots are there, and this one the lake, the shoe over here, okay. Now what if you do, just I will draw the land here. Too much of trees are there, long trees are there. It is the portion from here, more trees are there. Here the whatever is coming inside, just I will erase it. Over here, this one also, here some more trees are there. Here small plants are there. And like in forest type, means the bushes, okay, the background bushes. I'm just doing it over here like this, okay. Here some grasses will be there, okay, some flowers. Will be there. So now your environment, here I will write O2 O2 O2, everywhere O2, because the plants gave O2, na, that's why O2 O2, and this one gave carbon dioxide, CO2, like that. So you're almost, not almost, the outline is ready, okay. the outline is ready.